I'm Ahmed Tibawi, the CEO of the World Trade Center Algiers. The license was taken since 1998, and we started the operation since 2002. Yes, I think it's very important for us to have been awarded. This is a recognition, I think, of the work accomplished by the entire WTC team over several years. All our customers, I think, and also our WTC members were very proud that their partner was recognized by the members of the WTC Association. As everybody knows, the WTC brand is internationally recognized as a reliable organization all over the world. This is huge when you follow the comments of the social media. It is likely to boost our business by attracting more customers and, above all, consideration for what we do, what we are doing. It's very important for us to have been awarded, because now the local community is very proud also about what we had. Very important question, because this recognition will reinforce our objective of increasingly becoming a one-stop shop for the local business community and the international one as well. We will use this award as a leverage for our business and entire businessmen of the region of the WTC, because we are linked to many institutions here in Algeria, the Chambers of Commerce, the businessman organization, and all of us are very proud of this. And I'm sure, and I feel, since we got this award, that we have more and best contacts with these all stakeholders. I think the most important for the other members of our organization, if I can advise them, is diversifying services and partners. I think to reach more sectors and businesses, to believe deeply in this affiliation to an international organization, international network, and move forward to promote the brand. I think the most important, and we feel it also here in the environment, getting and promoting the brand is very important. And for instance, in our premises, we have many companies coming here and taking offices in our buildings because of the brand, and they are proud to have an office at the World Trade Center. Then really it's very important, and also to let's say, you don't put your eggs in the same bag. You should diversify the activities. And I remember when during COVID, fortunately we had many others activities which covers the activities which was forbidden. For instance, having organizing conferences, exhibition, it was forbidden, if you remember, during the COVID. And our chance was to have diversified our activities, and it's very important for the members. And the most important is to serve our members and our business community. And for all the members, they will get for sure recognition from our fellow members to get maybe to be awarded next year. this important that, as you know, Algeria is the largest country in Africa, and also is the gate of Africa, because we open Africa. We are, as you know, on the Mediterranean Sea, and we have 1,600 kilometers on the Mediterranean Sea and central Mediterranean Sea. And because of this geographical position called the gateway, as I told you, of Africa, Algeria is full of promising economic dynamics. Today, the level of the national GDP, the current dynamics investment with a new law, a very attracting new law, the level of the growth, and the favorable macroeconomic indicators of the country allow WTC Algiers to play an important role of a sort of intermediate between our region, the North Africa, and Sub-Saharan Africa, let's say the entire African continent. Furthermore, I think the opportunity offered by the African Continental Free Trade Agreement gives us, as African WTCs, the best tool to enhance the intra-African trade and investment, because today it is very weak. Maximum 15% of the exchange between the African countries. And this new free trade agreement, I think, offer for all of us, we are, I think, 18 licenses here in Africa, to enhance and give the chance to our countries to exchange more. And for instance, today, if I want to go to, let's say, to Accra, for sure I should go to Paris or London or Dubai after to take another flight to go to Accra, inside Africa. It's not normal. I think today we should prepare all the tools, and it's a chance for us as a WTCs either to promote our brand in these countries where we have a license, and hopefully to get more licenses, because I'm chair of this RAC, the Regional Advisory Council, Africa and Middle East, to give the chance to other countries to have the license, and also give us the chance to work all of us together and enhance, as I told you, the intra-African trade and after investment between our countries. I think it's difficult to answer your question, because the impact of our activity is witnessed through the various events we are organizing, which are mainly related to export, to trade, and also to sustainability and efficient economic development. We have many events with partnership with UNIDO, with the European Union, and let's say we have the circular economy, the industrial subcontracting, because we are, for instance, launching a business for automotive, to start producing automotive in Algeria. And we are working on organizing conferences and to try, and also exhibition, to attract maybe investor to produce spare parts here in Algeria. But I think the best success story I can mention is the organization of the Export Trophy since 20 years. Every year during the WTC Day in June, we organize a big ceremony, big gala, to award a lot of exporters out of hydrocarbon sector here in Algeria, and it's very well known. Every year we have many ministries, and every year the Minister of Commerce gives the award for the best exporter of the year. And today, when you speak or you mention the export trophy, you immediately The first name they came in the business community is WTC Algiers. It's very well known. It's very reliable. Since 20 years, we had each year we give this award, and we have never had problem with other exporters telling why I didn't get it, or because it's very serious. We have a jury with representatives from the custom administration, the minister administration, the exporter association. It's a very reliable award, and we are very well known. I think I can mention this among all our activities. I really can mention the export trophy. Yes, I think because of the WTC, the new WTC's motto is connecting business globally. I think this resumes everything. Indeed, really we are the only organization in the world that can connect more than 300 World Trade Centers, 323 World Trade Centers in 90 countries. Can you imagine? We can have contacts all over the world in 5 continents. If I have a client wanting to export, to import from China, from Brazil, from Australia, from Europe, from Africa, I have contacts. I immediately have contacts. We have the WTC online. I can send an email immediately and get the answer. I think this importance of this huge organization, our big family, I think gives ideas to some investors and to consider joining our organization. It's very important that we feel it, because for instance, we have a club, export club, we have membership. And after COVID, I think we stopped the meetings. We had some virtual meetings, but not like the one-to-one meetings. It's better because we network and we share experiences with exporters. And with this opportunity, we have started again our clubs. And immediately we had 25 new members, and we have 25 other joining, I think, by the 29th of May, because we have our third meetings of this year. It's really because of this organization is very well known, is very serious, is very reliable, and it gives you the chance to join, let's say, 90 countries in a few minutes. If they need something, and come to the World Trade Center and ask for anything, equipment, investment, trade, they can have an answer.